What's up, YouTube? It is finally time. It's the Team Tensei meet today, so it is about 5:30 a.m. and so we got to be at the meet spot at 6 a.m. and then we're gonna leave about 6:30 a.m. and then we're gonna head up to Hickory, North Carolina for the Team Tensei meet. I'm gonna be rolling with Team Unlisted. That's the group my buddy's with. He kind of, so I could ride up with them. So that's what we're gonna do. So I guess I'm going to try to vlog this whole thing. Not sure how it's going to go, but we're going to head over to the meet spot. I'm going to try to show you everything that I brought with me, and then we will get started. So I will see you guys there. All right, so we are at the meet spot. Literally, no one's here yet. We're going to wait on everybody. I always get to things way too early than I'm supposed to, but it is what it is. So with me, I basically brought my floor jack. I broke it down, and then a spare tire. I got an impact, electric impact, and I got my sockets and stuff like that. I really didn't bring a whole lot of tools because, to be fair, what am I gonna fix on the side of the road without parts anyways? So it is what it is. We got the camera, we got the gimbal. I got my new CPL filter, which is like a polarizer lens on my camera. I just got it, and so I'm super excited to try it out. Yeah, that's basically all I brought. I mean, I didn't really need a whole lot because I'm just doing like pictures and stuff. And then we're obviously gonna walk around and check out the event. I'm gonna vlog it for you guys, but it's not too far. Like an hour and a half is really not that far. You don't need to bring a whole lot. It's not like we're going on, vacation or something. We're going to like Bimmer invasion across the country, so no big deal there. I mean, all the other guys have stuff too, so if anyone needs something, I'm sure someone will have whatever they need. So I do got the scan tool, which actually that comes in handy quite a bit for other people who just has a random check engine light, because like a tune or something, and it kind of makes it a little less chaotic when you get a random light on your car. You don't know what it is, so the scan tool always comes in clutch. But I guess we're gonna sit here. We're gonna wait for everybody. When everybody gets here, I'll pick back up with you guys, because there's literally nobody here. And then we will roll out, and then we'll get the day started. So I guess I try to make content on both platforms for you guys. So I'm gonna go, I guess we'll film the TikTok, and then we'll hop back over here. All right, so slight change of plans. I know you can't see me, so everybody already left for whatever reason. So it's just me and Johnny with the Supra. So me and him are gonna head up to Hickory, and then so I'll catch you guys when we get there, because I don't know why no one came to the meet spot, but they called him and said I guess everyone headed out already, because they didn't get the gist that we're meeting. I don't know. So I guess we are going to go. So we stopped at the rest area. We got Johnny's Supra right in front of this beautiful sunrise, so we're definitely gonna snap some shots of it. We'll wait on him to take a quick pee, and I guess we're gonna be back on the road. So what happened was there's two meet spots, and I guess no one wanted to meet at the first location at like 6 a.m. So everyone went to the 7:40 a.m. location, which is in Hickory. I don't know how far it is from the event. I guess we'll find out when we get there. But definitely look at this thing. Sweet. All right, so we are at the spot with everybody here. So let's go see the cars. treat tempo. We're about to roll in. Everybody's doing warm up right now. So yeah, this is gonna be exciting. I've never done, photography at an event this size, so I'm excited to see who's all there and how everything's gonna be. Unfortunately, this year we're parking in the spectating parking lot, but hopefully we get this card built done, and by next year we'll be able to roll in shows too. So definitely looking forward to that.
Yeah. That's it. So let me go check the lineup again. Right there.
Got the lineup. We'll meet. So we've made it to Team Tensei meet, so we're just waiting in line. There's a bunch of cars here. I mean, it is insane. I've never been actually to a car meet or car shed this big ever. I know like it's nothing compared to SEMA, but a lot of stuff to take pictures of, and I'm excited. So let's get to it. Got everybody parked up at the meet, so I guess I'm gonna go walk around for a little while and see what we got. just entered a car wrap giveaway, 10 bucks. Let's see if we win. We'll wrap the Beamer. Raffle, so I'm gonna get my whole car wrapped, so that will be in the future. I'm going to reveal what I get, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And I guess we're gonna go to the after meet, so I'll get you guys there. So we are at the after meet spot, and yeah, apparently it's somebody's birthday, so that's why we're out here. So not a whole lot of people here yet. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay because I gotta get home and edit all these photos. But I hope you guys like this kind of videos, because we got a lot more coming, especially with this rap and everything. We got a lot of videos coming. So yeah, so if you guys want to see this kind of stuff or anything, recommend it down below. But as always, like, subscribe, help me out. I'm trying to get started here, and I will see you guys next time.